So I'm at a boat and RV center. Campers and boats and whatever they sell. They're having a car show. And I'm a few minutes early. They're also supposed to be having a free lunch. Hey, their announcement for their cars and camper show said they were in Pocatello, but they are actually in Chubbuck. And you have to blame the Postal Service for that. And it goes back to World War II when they introduced the zip code. And to try to make it quick and simple, basically the Postal Service and instead of trying to list every single town and city, what they did is they assigned all the small cities and towns to the nearest large city, and they've never changed it. What they did in the 1970s is they created the +4 number system, which adds the additional 4 numbers that you sometimes see at the end of zip codes. So this is they got all their campers opened up. I see one boat. So they are probably hoping people are going to come in and look at their campers. So the +4 additional digits created in the 1970s added onto the zip code. That was the Postal Service's way of trying to focus in on the smaller towns and cities. But that was one of the reasons for that. Plus, it was easier to do that than to update all their addresses. Government in action. That was also back when the Postal Service was still a full government operation. A lot of people don't know in the 1970s the Postal Service was also semi-privatized. Okay. This motorcycle is making noise. Oh, it's a they're putting air in the tire. I was just told that this is the 3rd year of doing this, and this is the first year I heard about it. But that's a different business that joins with this other business to do this event. I guess these cars are going to be judged, and there's going to be a lunch that they're not sure when it's going to be.
I always got told in the summer, in the winter, and my surgeries he had to have this surgery.
These are all local cars that you've probably seen in some of my other videos. Kind of feels strange being the only spectator. Is this still for sale?
Yep.
No takers yet?
Well, nobody would keep talking. So.
Yeah. This is one I haven't seen before. Oh, it must not be registered for the judging of the. Look at that. Doesn't.
And they asked him, and I don't remember which kind of car it was. The guy that was interviewing him said, "Well, how many of those?" Oh, I think I got 80 of those. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. And that guy's, I'm wondering if that was the old Walmart store that I But he's a nice guy. You know what I missed? I thought they were there for a week. Yeah. That's like
Those guys might be getting tired of me video recording their cars. Leaving already? No. She decided her car would look better in the sun. It won't be long till this is in the sun. You're on video again.
Hungry.
So you own this car.
Huh?
This is your car. And your car is that low lid.
My yellow bumblebee.
Where's the taxi sign? There it is.
Flirting with the boys with all their charm. I still love her so. Everybody don't know. I welcome her right back here in my arms. There's a kiss on me, I can feel awful blue. If I had to find somebody,
They're still cleaning their Camaro over there. Look at that teeny carburetor on there. A 200 motor, cubic inch. That was a booby trap. Guess they brought some food just in case the complimentary lunch wasn't good enough.
Hey, how's it going?
Well, it's going.
Oh, that's good.
Enjoying the stuff that's not too hot yet.
Yeah.
It's working on it, but
Oh, you got a good spot over there on the grass. What the hell?
I asked him if we could park on this side. He said park wherever you want. So I was like, this is a good corner.
Absolutely.
Sit down. How you feeling?
So you go get the x-ray, you go back in, Gary, they leave the room when they get here. She said, can't believe it. He goes, in 2 years, he says, I've never seen such a kid. So he comes in, and the neck and the ball was totally different. I had nothing. So I was walking, like this. And he goes, I'm sure Dr. Martin has seen it. He goes, I've never seen such a thing in my life. This is just crazy. So they got me in the Dr. Martin t-shirt.
The only thing I don't like is they put this carpet in there.
Yeah, I was just looking at this.
But so this panel comes out, and they had to take that one off because it was hitting that.
Oh yeah.
So I was going to take the rest of it out, but they glued it all in. So it's just epoxy underneath. There's no paint or nothing, so it's just glued. So he actually just rattle canned it black, the guy who put that. So I'm like, well, I guess it's staying like that. So it's the only problem I have with it. But
Huh.
plus, I think it holds the heat too much.
Probably
Not
does.
letting enough
It's a little
air
warm, yeah.
get through. Because yeah, if you hop on the highway, you'll overheat fast. But it, you know, stock radiator still.
Yeah,
so,
mine's got the stock radiator. That one is built.
yeah.
I didn't want any chips.
Been a good old workhorse. Good, they were good motors.
This is not a Chevy or a Ford. It's a 318 Mopar. It's a Mopar 318, but it's not a Magnum or an LA. It's out of a 1966 with a police interceptor intake.
The carburetors, the manifold.
The carburetors are original.
I don't believe the carburetors are. Oh, I went down too far. I took that rock. Damn it. I don't know what he done. He realized what he done, and he took the damn bolt out, put a shorter one in it, and then he didn't pull that line out to look at it. Mistake thing.